just as I suspected.
Oversized vehicle and illegal entry.
You know what I like doing on the weekends, Mbala? Making tracks.
That's cool, Clint. I'd love to hear them. What would be even nicer is when you enter a reserve, you do enter legally by paying your permit and sticking to designated activity areas.
Introducing Exhibit A.
Your permit fee might be a couple of bucks, but this little guy helps us continue our conservation work, helps us maintain natural order, and turns the reserve into your own private funland. No pay, no play. Till next time, keep conserving, nature lovers.
Yeah, and we'll keep on protecting and serving nature. Nature lovers.